Okay, good morning students. Today I discuss the chemical properties of haloalkane and haloarine. Now, what is ambident nucleophile? Ambident nucleophile. What is ambident nucleophile? First of all, what is nucleophile? The species which contains negative charge are called nucleophile, or electron-rich species are called nucleophile. What is ambident nucleophile? The nucleophile which has two nucleophilic center are called nucleophile, ambident nucleophile. The nucleophile which has two nucleophilic center are called ambident nucleophile. That is called ambident nucleophile. Examples are Cn-. It's donated by through nitrogen atom. Next, here is Nc, isocyanide. This is called cyanide. This is called isocyanide. It is cyanide is ambident nucleophile. Okay, NO2 through nitrogen atom and nitro group ONO through oxygen atom. It is also called ambident nucleophile. Another example is SCN, thiocyanate. That is called thiocyanate. And it's another ambident NCS, isothiocyanate. These are example of ambident nucleophile. Now come to the next topics. Now next topic is mechanism of SN1 and SN2 mechanism. Mechanism of SN1 and SN2 reaction. What do you mean by SN1, SN2? First start SN2 reaction. S stands for substitution, N stands for nucleophilic, and 2 is bimolecular reaction. It means that substitution, fusion, nucleophilic, bimolecular reaction. This reaction occurs in single steps. Attack of nucleophile and living group goes with simultaneously. Attack of nucleophile and living groups goes with simultaneously. Okay, just for example, here is haloalkane and attack of OH minus is nucleophile. The nucleophile attack on haloalkane, methyl chloride. What's the transition state take place? What's the transition state? Intermediate is formed. This is transition state intermediate. Okay, intermediate It is also called transition state. I'm sorry. Transition state. Again, leaving group OH, leaving group Cl minus, leaving group is Cl minus goes OH and Cl minus is leaving group goes. This takes place attack of nucleophile and leaving group. Cl minus is Cl is the leaving groups. Goes both and both simultaneously go. This is the SN2 reaction. Okay. What are the order of SN2 reaction? SN2 reaction का जो order होगा, order of reactivity, order of reactivity of SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction का क्या ऑर्डर होगा? सबसे पहले होगा मिथाइल क्लोराइड, मिथाइल हैलाइड, then primary alkyl halide RCH2S, primary 1 degree alkyl halide, then secondary alkyl halide. This is secondary alkyl halide, second degree alkyl halide, then tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide, third degree, okay, alkyl halide. This is the order of reactivity of SN2 reaction. मिथाइल हैलाइड का सबसे ज्यादा रिएक्टिविटी होगा, उसके बाद प्राइमरी अल्काइल हैलाइड, then secondary alkyl halide, then tertiary alkyl halide. This is the order of reactivity of SN2 reaction. This is very important reaction. Now come to the SN1 reaction. Now come to the SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction. Okay. SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction, substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reaction. This is called substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reaction. It is called substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reaction. Unimolecular reaction. This is the full form of SN1 reaction. In SN1 reaction, it occurs in two steps. It occurs SN1 reaction occurs in two steps. In first steps, leaving groups go with bonded pair of electrons and formation of carbocation. Step first, this is your tertiary alkyl halide. This is tertiary alkyl halide. Step first, it is slow. Leaving group goes and formation of carbocation. Leaving a bond breaks and leaving groups, halogen group goes and formation of carbocation. Okay. In step second, attack of nucleophile to the carbocation and formation of new bond takes place. In step second, attack of nucleophile to carbocation. Just see. This is carbocation and OH minus is nucleophile. This is fast reaction takes place. This attack approach to the nucleophile and attack on the attack to the carbocation. A new bond formation takes place. You get OH minus. This is the alcohol. Tertiary alcohol is formed. This is the SN1 reaction. This is the mechanism of SN1 reaction. Now, order of the reactivity of SN1 reactions are order of reactivity of SN1 reaction are tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide. This is your tertiary alkyl halide is greater than secondary alkyl halide, which is greater than, this is your secondary alkyl halide, then which is greater than primary alkyl halide, and then this is your methyl halide. This is your primary alkyl halide. This is your methyl halide. This is the order of reactivity of SN1 reactions. Tertiary, which is greater than, सबसे मोस्ट रिएक्टिव होगा टर्सरी, उसके बाद सेकेंडरी, उसके बाद प्राइमरी, और सबसे कम जो होगा मिथाइल हैलाइड होगा रिएक्टिविटी का। इसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम में पूछते हैं, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आते हैं इस पे। अब जो है सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स जो है मैं कल और डिस्कस करूंगा। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।